today? Wow, that's great! I'm so happy to hear that you are happy and healthy today. Okay, K2. Today we are going to learn language with Ibu Evelyn. Are you ready? Let's start!
K2, what sound is this? Yes, this is A. Let's see the example of A sound. What picture is this? Yes, this is male. M-A-L, male. Look at the picture. She wait. W-A-T, wait. And do you know what is this? Yes, this is rain. R-A-N, rain. Look at the next picture. This is train. T-R-A-N, train. And this is another sound of A. Can you repeat after Ibu Evelyn? A. Great job. After this, let's see the example. Do you know what picture is this? Yes, this is day. D-A, day. K2, what color is this? You are correct. This is gray. G-R-A, gray. Let's see the last example. What picture is this? Yes, you are correct. This is crayon. C-R-A-Y-O-N, crayon.
After this, please take your Sanskrit book. Last Monday, we already finished page 6 and 7. And after this, please open your book, page 8 and 9. We are going to do the task together. The first task, you will hear track 5, listen carefully, and then circle the correct answer. And then, task 2, you will complete the words. Task 3, you have to circle and write the correct words. And this is the last one. You will hear track 6 and then you will tick the correct words. Can you do it, K2? After you finish, you can take a picture and then upload it to Shola. I know you can do it.
Okay, K2, see you.